Sludge, a viscous semi-solid, PCBs and DDT and pathogens and toxins. Barge, like Dinah used to know. Take it to a factory farm and grow me some tomatoes. It's a chemical concoction that can make a cockroach itch. Mother Nature is a one tough bitch. Mother Nature is a one tough bitch. And highway, freeway, motorway, street, petrochemical combustion is swept me off my feet. Roadkill, crows getting meat, and the greenhouse gases are turning up the heat. The hot, flat, black top is cracking, don't you know? Something dark and creeping, dancing is washing from below, and the greens and the insects are working at the ditch. Mother Nature is a one tough bitch. Mother Nature is a one tough bitch. And weeds, they come from bad seeds. They're the last thing this manicured lawn of mine needs. So come on, Camelon, pour another gallon. Saturate the crabgrass, slay the dandelion, eviscerate the cells and suffocate the worms. They're just a bunch of germs, dirty germs, communistic germs. Gotta hate the word germs, kinda makes me twitch. Sitting here on my porch, watching the waters rise. And plague, while fortunes are made. Rats and scabs and Pinkertons paid. Rocks in the hot sun, mint julep in the shade. A seven-legged toad and a Jägermeister made. Hot dog, popcorn, purchased for the day. Chaos in the outfield, money at the plate. Standard and Poor is coming up too bad. And Redwood City going and he's never coming back. Redwood City going and he's never coming back. Redwood City's going and he's never coming back. Redwood City's going and he's never coming back. And nature bats last, 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 nature bats last. And she also throws the pitch. Mother Nature is a one tough bitch. Mother Nature is a one tough bitch. One tough bitch. A one tough bitch.